Hey guys, it is Monday morning here in the Philippines, and today we're calling it MiniGT McLaren Monday because we have the new McLaren Artura, and this is a very unique car. I was watching a video on it. I guess it's the first and only hybrid McLaren, and it's supposedly, I guess, the fastest McLaren to date. But anyways, kind of strange that it has an electric motor and then the turbo 6 in it. So the car actually starts out, I guess, as like an electric eco type of car. You don't even hear this thing running and such. So it's very unique when it comes to like supercars or these exotic sports cars. So not your typical exotic sports car, but we've seen this with the Porsche Taycan and so forth. It's all electric, so at least this still has some combustion engine like heritage behind it and such. So let's go ahead and get a closer look at this guy. So this is your Mini GT. It is your McLaren Artura, and it is in Volcano blue. And this is a pic of the actual diecast and not the one-to-one car. On the top side, you have your collector number 430, where to find Mini GT online and on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. On this end cap, you have Mini GT, scale 164. Stupid camera. So then on the bottom side here, you have your age recommendation of 14 and older, and then your choking hazards and warnings there. And then on this end cap, you have the name Artura. And then back side of the box, you have your McLaren holographic sticker, and then your TSM holographic sticker, then also some more TSM model licensing and more McLaren licensing. And then let's just zoom in on this so we can all see it together. So it's McLaren Artura, Volcano Blue, and left-hand drive. Now here, I was only able to get this in left-hand drive. Sometimes I have choices, like with the Nissan Z Proto. They had this in left-hand and right-hand. Same thing with like the tuned Miata we did a couple weeks back. I could get that in left-hand or right-hand. But this one, as far as I know, is only available in left hand, unless that's all that hit the hobby shops near us. So anyways, guys, let's get this guy out of the box and take a closer look at him. And this was a sellout here, just like the Nissan Z Proto. Left-hand drive sold out first, and then the right-hand followed shortly after. And this guy, he was like the first sellout in the new batch of Mini GT cars. I'm kind of anticipating the next batch with the 54 Mercury. Definitely want to get one, maybe two of them. So anyways, here is your Artura. As you can see, nicely detailed factory spec wheels, and has all of the like marker lights near the wheel arches. The indentation on the door for the air intake and such. And then it has this, not really unique, but it's a cool looking blue that is a very slight metallic, as you can see the sparkling in the hood. The roof looks like it's kind of dull finish in a way, like they didn't rub it out good enough, so that may kind of be a slight factory flaw, or that may be that I'm just a little bit too picky, maybe. But anyways, the mirrors on the car are rubber. As you can see, they flex quite a bit, so these are very durable. But as I always tell people, I would be careful. Now, moving along to the front, you have your McLaren emblem on the nose there. Then you have acrylic headlight lenses, as small as they may be, because that is a very deep recess there on this. And then it doesn't have the acrylic covering. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit more. As you can see, it's very deep recess. It doesn't have the lens covering the whole opening. It is just your half opening here, or a half like filled acrylic headlight lens because it's recessed. Anyways, so moving along, you have your air intakes in the front and your very chiseled front end with these different body lines and openings in the front, which are very unique. And your front chin spoiler and such. And then looking inside, you see it has a very detailed dash, and it is left-hand drive. And you have your wiper in the parked position at the base of the windshield. And then this would either be the gas filler or the plug for the electric, and I'm not sure what that would be there. I didn't watch the whole video on this car, just kind of the opening segment actually to find out how to pronounce the name of the car correctly. So anyways, as you can see, the Artura plate, vanity plate, and then you have this mesh backing here with the exhaust tips coming out of the rear panel in the center. And then these red lights, which I think these are painted. I don't think these are acrylic because they are so small. Then you have your rear engine cover, which is very unique looking too, with your louvers to cool and such things. The back window there kind of has that muscle car appearance from the back with the recessed rear window in between the B pillars. And then going to the base, not bad detail here. Then you have it held together with button head Phillips screws. And it is metal on metal as usual. And you have treaded rubber tires and such. So very nicely done car by MiniGT. So let's tilt this down so you guys can get a overall look at this car sitting in like a Dio. So pretty cool looking piece. This is the latest new casting from MiniGT, but they have a lot of new castings coming up this year. As I said, I'm kind of anticipating that 54 Mercury. Definitely want to get one or two of them for myself, and those will probably be keepers because that's just like the first classic American car that MiniGT is done. So very cool to see this. But we'll be getting it as soon as it is available here, which hopefully will be within the next couple of weeks or so. And then in the coming future, we have, in the near future, we have the Cato House 510 wagon, the first one that I have gotten, and I will be doing an unboxing on it for you guys. Then we have a couple of M2 square bodies, and ironically, they're Walmart exclusives, even though I'm here on the other side of the world where there's no Walmarts. But still, we got the Chase variant and the regular variant. And we'll be taking a look at them and pointing out the differences and actually unboxing them and looking at them very closely together. So we'll be doing that probably next week. So be sure to tune back in for those videos, guys, and enjoy the start to your week. And I may be back this weekend to do one of those videos. I keep forgetting it is only Monday. So maybe by the weekend we'll do the M2 trucks together and take a look at them for the weekend. So thanks for watching, guys, and until next time.